If you need to delete an audience in Mailchimp, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. I'll also show you the exact clicks to make so you can remove the right contact or audience item without confusion. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into the account that has access to the audience you want to manage. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Audience section. This is where Mailchimp stores your contacts, subscribers, and audience lists, so this is the starting point for making any changes. Next, click on Audience to open your contact list. From here, you'll be able to see the audience or contacts connected to your account. If your goal is to delete a specific contact, find the person or entry you want to remove. If you're working with a larger audience list, make sure you are selecting the correct one before continuing. Now tick the checkbox next to the contact you want to delete. This step is important because Mailchimp needs you to select the exact contact before any bulk actions become available. Take a moment to double-check that the right contact is selected, especially if you have a long list of subscribers. After selecting the contact, look for the three dots menu. This is the Actions menu in Mailchimp, and it gives you additional options for managing the selected contact. Click the three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down options, click Delete. Mailchimp will then remove the selected contact based on the action you chose. In some cases, Mailchimp may ask you to confirm the deletion before it completes the process. So be ready to approve the action if prompted. If you're deleting more than one contact, you can repeat the same process for each one, or select multiple contacts if the interface allows it. Just remember to always review your selection before clicking Delete, because removing contacts can't always be undone. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete audience contacts in Mailchimp. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go, and this can help you keep your audience list clean and organized. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips, email marketing tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.